Hello. Hej. Tjenare alla. Hjärtligt välkommen igen till Mortens köket. I like to welcome you back again to Morten's kitchen. Today we don't do any drinks or something like that. Today's video is about that I had a couple questions from some women and girls, and especially one particular question which has been a mystery to some of those women and girls. The question is, they have asked me, because I'm a man, that is it possible for a man to take his own cock in his mouth? And today I'm gonna tell and show, is it possible or not? And the straight answer is yes, of course, it's possible. But you have to be very, very stretchy and in good condition that you can do it. So I'm gonna show it how. First, I'm gonna take my cock and put it on the table. Here. Oh, shit, camera. As you can see, I do these videos very bad equipment. So I put my cock on the table. Here is the cock. And like this. This is my cock and I put it in my mouth. So, all the ladies and girls, this is how men do it. Have a nice evening and day and whatever, and welcome back someday again to Morten's kitchen. Bye bye.